Hello everyone, I'm here working on a newly acquired 1990 Dresser TD8G wide track, and I started the video actually after we've been working on it a little bit. We had already replaced the seals in the adjuster on the right side there, and now I'm working on the seals on the left side adjuster. The dirt seal, if you look in there, the lip on it is completely gone. And this is the new one. That's a dirt seal. And then this is the plunger seal, the new one. And then the old one from the other side is here, and it's very brittle. And actually the lip was gone off of it as well. So even though the left side was working, we decided we got it in here, got it apart, let's do both sides. The other thing we noticed, actually the dozer is pretty tight on all the bushings, on all the rams, very nice and tight. The machine only has 1600 original hours on it, but the blade was very loose. So there's a wearing surface here that we had to grind off and weld a new one on. I just used a 1/4 inch cold rolled steel, and you can see here's one of the ones we ground off. It was getting pretty worn, so we ground both sides off and put new plate on them. There's the other side. In addition, the two upper rollers, track rollers, bearings were completely gone in them. We checked the bottom rollers out, they're good. The other thing we did was these retainer plates, there was where they rub on the wear surface on the front mount, there was a 1/4 inch groove all the way down each side, so we built those back up with weld and reground those. I'm waiting for some bushings and pins for the front. Right here, we had to torch this bushing out. There's the bushings right there on both the blade and the tilt portion of the dozer. And then there's the pin that goes between the blade and the mount here. So we're going to get a new pin and 2 new bushings. That's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty good on the tractor. Like I said, it only has 1600 original hours on it. It's been sitting in a barn for, I don't know, 15 years or so, used occasionally to pull logs. But it's going to work good for what we need it for. So I'll keep you updated if we find anything else. Thanks.